Welcome back, of course, to your favorite channel, The Learning Box by Puntoon Kids. And I am back with a new digraph for everyone. Is everyone ready for it though? Yes? So have you all been watching the previous videos and practicing your reading? Have you all learnt your digraphs well? Yes? Then you all deserve a big smiley. And get set for the new digraph. So I'm going to write the letters on the board one at a time and you have to give me the sound. Okay? So which letter is this? Excellent job. That's letter A, and A says A. Very good. And what about this letter? Which letter is this? Letter R. And what does R say? So A says A and R says R. So what do you think happens when A and R come together? Do you think they say R? No. What do they say? They say R. Come on, all of y'all, say it with me. R. Just like how it is in our arm. Everyone show me your strong arm. Come on, everyone, show me your strong arm. Very good. Good job. And we are going to start with the word arm. Okay, let's write it. R. How am I going to write R? Yes, like this. R. And now let's read it together. R. Arm. Show me your arm again. Strong one. Yes, very good. Good job. And what's this that we see at night in the sky? Nice and shiny, twinkling, twinkling. Yes, that's a star. So when I say star, do you hear the sound R? Yes? Very good. So let's write star. St. R. Star. Now let's read it together. Star. Star. And what else do I have here? Old MacDonald had a... What's this? A farm. What does Old MacDonald have? A farm. So when I say farm, do you hear the R sound? Yes? Very good. So let's write the word farm. R. Farm. And now let's read it together. Come on. R. Farm. And what else do I have? We all love to sit in this and go for a drive. A long, long one. What's this? Yes, you're right. You guessed it well. It's a car. And when I say car, do we hear the sound R? Yes? Very good. So let's write the word car. R. Car. And now what are we going to do? We are going to read it. Come on. R. Car. And now what is it time for? Time for reading the words while having fun by showing our strong arm whenever we hear the sound R. Yes? So let's start. Come on. R. Arm. R. Star. R. Farm. R. Car. So do you all know the digraph R by now? What does it say? R. And what's the action? R. Yes? And if you all know it, then what are you all going to do? All of you all are going to like, share and subscribe the video. And I'm going to see you all very, very soon with a new digraph. Okay? Take care. Bye. Keep reading.